Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know the time that you're going to be seeing this video. Yes. And whatever time it is that you're going to see this video, I am saying to you, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Yes, you're welcome to our channel. You're welcome to this place where everybody is somebody. Yes. If you are just seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock. Yes, and I'm reaching out to you from the northern part of Nigeria. Okay, I just want to first of all apologize to all our members, our subscribers. Yes, I've not been able to upload video for like 5 days because I've been working from back to back, doing so many things all at the same time, working around the clock. So I was unable to upload video for this within this 5 days. I'm really sorry. Guys, today I want to talk about how to boost your business again in another way. See, this channel is a simple solution channel. We are constantly looking out for simple things that will give us simple solution to life. Okay, so guys, look at this necklace I'm wearing. I'm wearing my waist bead. This is Blue Eyes waist bead. Look at it. Yes. In fact, my name is written on it. Medilock. Yes, like I said, I can wear my own on my hand. I wear my own on my waist. I can wear it on my neck. In fact, I can wear it on my hair. Nothing do me and nothing do you. Yes, see, I want to show us something very simple, something that we see, we know, but we don't know the spiritual relevance of it in our lives. So I want to draw attention to it today, and it works. Yes, see, anything I tell us here on the channel about how to boost your business, do it this way, it will work. Do it that way, it will work. Guys, it works. Okay, try it first. When you try all these things for 3 months and you didn't see any result, then you can now call me. Okay, yes, then it means your case is not a YouTube case. Your case is a deep case, and your case needs to be approached at the higher level of spirituality. Yes. So guys, I have some remedies here. I think you're just going to use just 2 ingredients. Yes, 2 things, 2 items that you're going to be needing. Very simple. These are things that you get in your house. Okay, but please, I will teach us, I will show us how to do it when we come back from this time out.
Simple solutions to life.
Yes, you're welcome back from that timeout. Medilock. Simple solution. Medilock. See, last time I told you I have a product that sells itself. I've never advertised it until last time when I uploaded a video. I talked about it. I said, this is a favor oil. This is an oil. Okay, favor oil. And if you look at it, you will see some herbs inside. This is fire. Exactly. So you can just open it, you just add some to your lotion, to your body cream, and you can rub it directly. If you're a man, you're not using any cream and you just buy this, you can just be using this. Just rub it on your hands, your legs, your face. That is all. Waka, nothing do you. Favor will be your name. Yes, whether you like it or not. Yes. And I showed us this, and some have been buying this. In fact, a lot of testimonies are rolling in. Yes. Oh God, which one will I even show you? Which one will I not? You know, I like to like come here and then use it in your presence so that you see how we use it. But in spite of me coming here to use it, some people will still call me and say, Mendelok, my attraction in your bottle has arrived. How do I use it? You just put it on your forehead here. That's all. You attract wealth. Yes. This thing is real. I came with awful this morning to show you guys because of a lot of testimonies that are just coming in back to back. People from US or everywhere. You understand? You know, some people, they have what they use in testing their sugar level. Some are registered diabetic patients, but they are using this thing, and now the doctor is even confused. Yes, they go to the hospital and say, you mean we diagnosed you here? Like, seriously? We diagnosed you here that you're diabetic? But I'm not seeing anything in your body. They say it's awful, it's awful. You understand? Guys, if your lifestyle exposes you to drinking too much sugar, you know, or you want to like once in a while purge yourself, you don't want to arrive at that junction of diabetes. You're overweight. You're a man, you have a round, you have one pack, and you're flexing. Why not get off once in a while? You detoxify your body so that you will not arrive at diabetes. You understand? You're a woman, you're enjoying, you know, everything, boku everywhere. You understand? You are flexing. Get off, flush out whatever sugar content that is in your body that might result into diabetes. This treats diabetes. It reverses you out of diabetes and it prevents you from getting diabetes. I don't want to shout. In fact, let's stop here. Let me show you. See, you use these two items to boost your business. Yes. And the item number one, I came with two samples to show you that what I discuss with you guys on this channel, I'm using it and it's working for me. If I'm talking about anything that has to do with business, please believe me, because I said it before, I am not a businesswoman. I am a spiritualist, but my customers flows like river. Yes. So guys, all these things that I'm explaining to you, I'm using them. You'll be needing cocoa. Do you know what is cocoa? Cocoa. Yes, cocoa. You'll be needing brown rice. I came with samples of them. The one I'm using. Okay, so I want to show us. See, this one. This is cocoa, right? I'm not advertising this brand. You can buy any type of cocoa that you want. Okay, this is just cocoa powder. This is sugarless. And this one has some element of sugar in it. This one is also a chocolate, but it's made from cocoa also. I just picked this up from Wellcare recently, but I've been using this. See? To show you how far I've gone. You see? So, this is cocoa. Cocoa. Yes. See, I came with this because I want to show you the rice inside. You'll be needing brown rice. But before then, let me talk about this virus remover. I wanted to follow up the table. Virus remover. A woman went to the hospital, tested positive, and she and the husband, they bought this from me. Now they are negative. Yeah? See, he said, let him go and test in different places before he will call Medilog. You understand? It's negative. Yesterday again, I woke up with another testimony of this same virus remover from another person from another country. If they say, okay, the person, this one that gave me testimony, the first one is Nigeria. Okay, what about the one from South Africa? Eh? See, it's God that is in our product, okay? If you have tested positive to the virus, to the deadly virus, and you need to flush it out, just place order, okay? And we still have few ones remaining. you can just, we'll send it to you. Okay. All right. This is brown rice. Okay. This is brown rice. I didn't open it because I want to show you in your presence. This is brown rice. Okay, you just open it from here. You know, you can use rice for a lot of things. You can use rice. I think this quantity should be enough. I'll show you how it looks. This is a brown rice. Okay, this is a brown rice. And how do you use this? Yes, see, you will, you know, I told us last time about precision in spirituality. So when you want to use this for your business to attract favor, to attract business, see, if irrespective of the type of business you are doing, whether you are doing your business from your house, you are doing it from your office, you are doing your business from a shop, you know, or you do it online, whatever type of business that you're doing, you can use this. Yes, it works like fire. See, just take this. You know, do you know that you can count 21 pieces of this rice? Just 21. Yes, it is not going to be like, okay, just pack rice. But if you don't have that patience to count 21 grain of the rice, you just take just a handful or just a little quantity, or maybe just a spoon, a tablespoon of it is enough for this exercise. Yes, you will do this every Saturday. Yes, every Saturday. Yes, you just put it inside water, leave it in the water. Like on Friday night now, you can put the rice, just get your little quantity of water like this, then you put your rice inside and keep it till the following morning, which should be Saturday morning or Saturday afternoon or evening, whichever time it is. Okay, so you will, now when you want to use it, you take it to the bathroom, you pour it inside a bigger water. Remember, I told us last time that when you put something inside something, it becomes that thing in spirituality. Yes, so you just take 1 tablespoon of your cocoa powder. Just try and get cocoa powder. Cocoa powder in Nigeria we call it cocoa, but in America, in Sweden, in UK, they'll call it cocoa. You understand? So you can get your cocoa powder and then you use it. Okay, you know me, I don't speak Fone, I speak Otumokpo English. Now so I go dey talk am, una go understand am. Yes. So guys, you put your 1 spoon of cocoa powder inside that, whether it is sweetened or it is unsweetened. You understand? Your own, it is not, you have no business with the sugar. In fact, even with sugar inside, mine is good. You understand? So it doesn't matter. Okay, just pour it inside the water, pray over it. You want to see manifestation, you want to see favor, you want to see breakthrough in your business. Whether you are a contractor, you are an engineer, you are a lawyer, you are whatever. If client doesn't come, will you be a lawyer? Your business is your business. Whether you are a lawyer, clients coming in back to back is called business. Yes, people will give you property to manage and all that, estate to manage and all that. So there are different ways you can manifest as a businessman or something that brings in rain of money. You understand? Just use this, pray over it, and use it to bathe. This is a spiritual bath. Okay? If it is a spiritual bath, where if you're a woman and you're in your monthly flow, don't use it. When your monthly flow is over, then you can use it. Okay? You can do this. All right. So guys, please See you again in our next video. I upload video on daily basis. Please try to make a time with me and watch my video. Remember to give me thumbs up, okay? If you don't give me thumbs up, don't ask me question. I will not answer you. I mean it.